Have you ever felt like you're just spinning your wheels when it comes to manifesting your desires? Like no matter how hard you try, the life you dream of always seems just out of reach? Well, what if I told you there's a secret, a powerful force that can change everything? It's called the Law of Reversibility, and it's not just some abstract concept, it's the key to unlocking your deepest desires. But what exactly is the Law of Reversibility, and how can it transform your life? Let's dive deep into this mystical yet profoundly practical principle and discover how it can end all your manifestation struggles once and for all. Imagine this: if A can create B, then B can create A. It's a mind-bending concept, right? But it's more than just a philosophical idea. It's a fundamental truth that governs the universe. Think about how heat can generate electricity, and then that same electricity can produce heat. It's a beautiful dance of cause and effect, where one thing leads seamlessly to another. But here's where it gets really intriguing. The law of reversibility isn't confined to the realm of physics. It applies to every aspect of our lives, including our deepest desires. Whether you're seeking financial prosperity or a soulmate connection, this law holds the key to manifesting your dreams with ease. The law of reversibility, as explained by Neville Goddard, is a fascinating concept that intertwines the physical and psychological realms. It suggests that if a physical action can create a psychological state, then that psychological state can also manifest the physical action. This principle is not only a cornerstone in the teachings of Neville Goddard, but also echoes through various scientific disciplines, such as thermodynamics, where it is observed that processes can often be reversed. For instance, Goddard points out that mechanical motion caused by speech was known long before the idea that speech could be reproduced through mechanical motion, as seen with the invention of the phonograph. Similarly, electricity was generated by friction without the realization that friction could, in turn, be produced by electricity. This demonstrates that transformations of force are reversible, a concept that Goddard extends into the realm of human consciousness and manifestation. Let's break it down with some real-life examples. Imagine you're struggling to make ends meet, and you're desperate to manifest more money into your life. Instead of approaching it with a scarcity mindset, where you're constantly focused on lack, try reversing the equation. Instead of asking, "How can I get more money?" ask yourself, "How can I become a magnet for money and prosperity?" By shifting your focus from scarcity to prosperity, you're tapping into the power of the law of reversibility. Similarly, if you're longing for love and companionship, but you're stuck in a cycle of loneliness and heartache, it's time to flip the script. Instead of dwelling on what you lack, focus on embodying the qualities of the partner you wish to attract. Cultivate love, kindness, and generosity within yourself, and watch as the universe mirrors those qualities back to you in the form of your ideal partner. Now, you might be wondering, how do I actually apply the law of reversibility in my daily life? To apply the law of reversibility in your daily life for manifesting money, you can start by envisioning the financial success you desire. Imagine that you have already achieved the wealth you seek, and feel the emotions associated with this success. This could be the joy of financial freedom, the security of a healthy bank balance, or the pride of providing for your loved ones. For example, let's say you want to manifest an additional $100,000 in your bank account. Begin by firmly believing that the money is already there. Visualize checking your bank statement and seeing the extra $100,000. Feel the excitement and relief that comes with this financial boost. By maintaining this psychological state, you're setting the stage for this vision to materialize in the physical world. Another way to apply this law is through affirmations, switchwords, and positive self-talk. An example of an affirmation might be, "I am a money magnet, and money and wealth flows to me effortlessly." Repeat this affirmation daily and let it permeate your subconscious mind. Switchwords are powerful one-word affirmations that connect directly with your subconscious mind, helping to shift your energy and bring about the change you desire. They are like verbal shortcuts to manifesting your goals. Select switchwords that resonate with the essence of what you want to manifest. For attracting money, words like count, find, divine, and gold are often recommended. Additionally, you can take actions that align with your vision of wealth. This could involve creating a budget, investing in financial education, or starting a side hustle. These actions not only move you closer to your goal, but also reinforce your belief in the possibility of its achievement. It's important to note that the law of reversibility is not a magic wand. It requires consistency, patience, and a genuine belief in the outcome. As you practice this law, remember that your thoughts and feelings are powerful tools in shaping your reality. One of Neville's most powerful techniques is a step-by-step exercise designed to harness the law of reversibility and manifest your desires with precision. It's a technique he shared with his VIP students, and now you're about to learn it too. Neville Goddard's manifestation exercise. 1. Set your intention. Begin by clearly defining your desire, whether it's wealth, love, health, or success. Be specific about what you want to manifest. 2. Enter a relaxed state. Find a quiet space where you can relax and focus your mind. Close your eyes and take several deep breaths to center yourself. 3. Visualize your desire. Now imagine yourself already in possession of your desire. See it in vivid detail, the sights, sounds, and sensations associated with having achieved your goal. 4. Engage your emotions. This is where the magic happens. Feel the emotions of already having manifested your desire: joy, gratitude, excitement. Let those feelings wash over you and permeate every cell of your being. 5. Affirm your belief. Speak aloud a statement affirming your belief in the reality of your desire. Use present tense language and infuse it with unwavering confidence. For example, I am prosperous in every area of my life. 6. Release and trust. Let go of any attachment to the outcome. Trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor and that your desire is already on its way to you. 7. Express gratitude. Finally, express gratitude for the manifestation of your desire, as if it has already occurred. This act of gratitude amplifies the energy of your intention and accelerates its manifestation. By following these steps and tapping into the power of the law of reversibility, you can transcend your manifestation struggles and create the life of your dreams. Remember, the universe is infinitely abundant, and you have the power to co-create your reality with every thought, feeling, and action. By applying the law of reversibility, you're essentially programming your subconscious mind to believe in the reality of your financial goals. This belief, in turn, influences your actions and attracts the opportunities necessary to achieve your desired state of wealth. Remember, the law works on the principle of inner transformation leading to outer change. So focus on cultivating a mindset of abundance and watch as the universe conspires to turn your financial dreams into reality. So dare to dream big, dare to believe in the impossible, and watch as the universe conspires to make your wildest dreams a reality. This isn't just wishful thinking. It's the undeniable truth of the law of reversibility in action. Are you ready to unlock its limitless potential and manifest the life you've always desired? What if I told you that you could tap into the secrets of the world's richest and most successful people? That you could learn how they think, how they make decisions, and how they achieve their goals? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Thanks to a breakthrough technology, you can now access the brainwaves of billionaires and discover their hidden strategies for success. This is not a scam. This is not a joke. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to change your life for the better. But you have to act fast, because this offer won't last long. If you want to find out more about billionaire brainwaves, click the link below and get ready to be amazed.